No one tells you this before you buy a monkey. The first 6 months to a year, you are having a lot of fun. You have a lot of laughter, lots of fun, monkey chasing you around, playing nicely with the family, until about a year old, and that's where the problems start. 1.2, 1.3 year old for a marmoset and tamarin, they get sexually matured, and the females a little bit later, 1.5, 1.6 months old, and that's where the trouble starts. They start attacking you, your family members, your wife, your children, up to a point where it's so bad that you can't have dinner together, or you can't be together because the monkey just keeps on attacking. Now, what that normally means is that the monkey has kicked that certain member out of the troop. That's what they normally will do in the wild. So it's not their fault because they're attacking you. They're sexually frustrated because they're matured. It could be a phase that will go over within a week or two. But if not, if that marmoset monkey or tamarin still continues to chase at you and bite you, that literally means it's kicked you out of the troop. Inevitably, what happens then? That monkey is going to be put in a cage, confined in a cage, because people can't handle that monkey anymore. And that is where the sad reality comes in. What is your backup plan for that? For a capuchin, they reach sexual maturity between about 3.5 to 4.5 years old. I would say about 4. And then at that point, the same can happen. The only difference is capuchin's bite is much, much worse than a marmoset or tamarin's. So a capuchin will put you in hospital very, very quickly. You will be lucky if you only have stitches, besides tendon repairs. Welcome to go and have a look on our website, emtsafehaven.com, under bites, to see the reality of what can happen. Some people are lucky that their capuchins only start attacking them from 6, 7, 8 years onwards. It could happen at any time. When it comes to primates, it's not if they bite, it's when they're going to bite. And I'm not talking about the older generation of people who's got monkeys for 50 years or whatever. I'm talking to the new wannabe monkey parents. You need to take this fact in consideration. It's a big, big aspect. It is a reality, and it happens day after day. We are not joking about this. This is reality. Please make sure, do your homework before you get a monkey. Thank you.